Hi friends, welcome back to another Discovery Home video. Today I'll be showing you how to make a stamp and how to paint with it. So all you need for this project is a few pieces of cardboard, some glue. You can also use hot glue, but make sure you get help from a parent. Scissors, a paintbrush, some paper, and then you want to get a paper plate with some various colored paints on it. And then also collect some textures that you might want to use for your stamp. So like rubber bands, bottle caps, maybe even string. So let's get started. So as you can see, I already added all my materials to my cardboard. So I added rubber bands, water bottle caps, and I even used some hot glue to make some circles on this one. So basically how a stamp works is it has an engravement on top of a surface that you can put ink over top and then stamp that image on your page. So basically how this is working is our cardboard is the surface and our engravement would be the rubber bands, how they're sticking up from the surface. So basically when I lay my paint on top, it's going to stick to the rubber bands and probably not the cardboard because the rubber bands are sticking up the furthest from the surface. And whatever I paint over, that's going to show up on my page. So I might see some lines on my paper. Okay, let's go ahead and try this out. So I'm going to use my hot glue one first. It's got some orange paint on there already. I'm going to add some more on it just to cover every surface. Make sure you're getting all the parts. Alright, and then go ahead and stamp it down. On your page, press on it. That way it gets all that paint on there. Press off. I got some fun dots. Some more dots, just gonna stamp around my page. This is a really nice open-ended activity because you can just kind of stamp away and test different materials, experiment with different things on here. I'm gonna use my rubber band one now. Just coating it all, making sure I get all the parts of it so it'll show up. Just stamping it down again, pressing on it. Oh, that's fun. I like the rubber band one a lot. Alright, last but not least, let's try our water bottle caps. Just gonna paint some orange on there. And then also around the edge of this one. Alright, oh. Might get a little messy. Alright. Oh, that's kind of fun. Some nice circles in here. So yeah guys, have fun exploring and experimenting with this one. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this activity for the day. Here's my finished product. Pretty amazing. If you want to do more fun activities like this one, go to kansasdiscovery.org/home. I'll see you guys later. Bye!
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Evergy.
Thank you to Evergy for making Discovery at Home possible.